All right, so hi, sorry I'm not there today, but I promised you guys I would set up or show you how to speed up things a little bit in Visual Studio Code, I think. We'll see. But right now, like, you'll see that mine is giving an error. That's because I have this extension enabled that you all have enabled as well. So I'm just going to close that. So go over to your extensions over here on the left side of your screen. You won't have all the same ones as me, but you will have this Visual Studio IntelliCode probably. So go ahead and just click on that and then click Disable. It'll say Reload Required. Click that. Once you've done that, we also want to turn on another feature. So just go up to File, Preferences, Settings, and then type in the word Jedi, as in like Return of the Jedi, Star Wars, and click Enable Jedi, and then click Reload. And that should do it. So then if you run your program from there, you should notice a considerable increase in speed. Have a good day. Go ahead and once you finish getting the earthquake map showing, there's a new assignment up on Google Classroom. You should see it right above this one, right above the video. Yeah, so have a good day.